Hello world, welcome back for another video. Porto Dev here. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Lenovo L340 15-inch gaming laptop. So for those of you in the market for a mid-range laptop at $1,000 or less, this video is for you. Last week, I brought you all the Asus G531 GT. So the goal of this video is to take a look at Lenovo's offering for the same price point to see if maybe they're giving you more bang for your buck. So if you're a first-time viewer to this channel, take a look at the video description. I'm going to link to that other video down below on the Asus G531 GT. So today, we're just going to take a first look at the Lenovo L340. So if you like what you see, if you're interested, definitely subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. I'm going to be bringing a full review to this laptop within the week. So the Lenovo L340 15 IRH gaming laptop comes with an Intel Core i7-9750H, a 256GB NVMe SSD, and an Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 with 4GB of GDDR5, 8GB of DDR4 clocked in at 2400 MHz, a 15.6-inch 1080p IPS panel, and this is the power adapter. What I'm noticing right away, it's a lot heavier than what I saw from the Asus G531 GT in my past unboxing video. It's a little bit surprising that it's that heavy and they gave us this adapter that's so big at 135 watts here, considering that the newest 9th generation Intel Core i7-9750H is very power efficient, coupled with the GTX 1650. But it is what it is, it's included, and overall, if this laptop is a good performer, I'd be willing to overlook that. But it is definitely heavier than what I saw in the Asus G531 GT, but it's definitely manageable. Overall, having this in your bag, it's not the end of the world, so if it's a good performing laptop, I would say no big deal. Alright, so got those off, taking out the laptop, and wow, a very minimalistic, very clean design for a gaming laptop here. It looks like it's almost a brushed metal style look to this. Now, very smooth, definitely plastic. It's not metal, but it does have this very nice, smooth and shiny finish, which I'm definitely appreciating. And compared with some of the older Lenovo gaming laptops I've seen in the past, this is just miles ahead better in design. We have this very shiny blue Lenovo logo here. It kind of stands out, but it overall complements the design when we look at the color, and I'm okay with it. Looking around on the back side here, we're seeing this blue theme continue. So there's this blue coloring to the grates here on the bottom, where we can get a little bit of a glimpse inside of the fans, which is kind of nice. So there's a blue metal grate behind this vent on the bottom of the laptop, and I'm a fan of it. I've seen a lot of laptops that just have crazy amounts of red all over, and this refined blue theme here with almost a black brushed metal looking feel. It's great. I'm definitely a fan of this. So far the design on this is just great. And opening up the laptop, and it looks like not too much flex. So a fairly rigid screen, which is nice, and the hinge felt good to open. And what we see is a very nice interior design, minimalistic, very, very low key in terms of overall aesthetics, a nice blue finish on this keyboard, which I'm appreciating, and definitely something that you wouldn't have any issue bringing into a meeting room, for example, around some professional colleagues. This is a laptop you can clearly see it's geared towards gaming as well as play. So I'm seeing probably this laptop is benefiting from Lenovo's huge experience from their Lenovo Carbon series. They're bringing a little bit of that theme, that style, to their gaming laptops, which is nice. Nothing too aggressive, nothing too flashy here, but it's a simple, refined look, a laptop that you would definitely feel inconspicuous pulling this out. So, you could use it during the day for productivity, your hard work, and then at night, bust it out for some competitive gaming in the PM. I want to show something really quick here, what I noticed, a very fine touch. This laptop, it actually looks like it includes a built-in privacy screen for the webcam. So you can slide this little slider over to the left, the red dot shows, and your webcam is covered. So even if someone hacked you or compromised your system, it'd be a no-go for them. Your webcam is only in use when you want it to be. And I want to give a quick look at the I/O here. What we're seeing is not a whole lot of ports, but we do have, here's our connector for the DC power jack. Gigabit LAN is this little expanding connector here. And then we do have our HDMI, USB 3.0 ports, and then a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB-C 3.0 port. It's not going to be Thunderbolt 3, but it is another port for expansion at USB 3.0 speeds, which is great. Over on the right side here, I'm actually not seeing any more expansion ports. Very uncommon for a laptop at this price range. And on the back, So we just have what you get. What you see is what you get on the left side. So a little bit minimal on the I/O and expansion, but it is probably enough for most people. You have enough so you can plug in, wire up, charging and gaming, Ethernet LAN for the low latency, an external display you can hook up here, as well as keyboard, mouse, or maybe some type of USB hub, and then you can get all your peripherals going. So it's enough, but it's definitely the bare minimum. And booting up Windows, no thank you. Office 365, Cortana, no thank you. And activity history, no thank you. And here we have all of the Windows spyware settings. No thank you, no thank you, no thank you. So quick note on the hinge here, it feels very good to open and close this laptop. It feels strong, firm, definitely durable, so this is a hinge that's going to last you a long time. This is a great new design that Lenovo has been incorporating in their laptops for the past couple years, and I'm definitely a fan of it. There is a little bit of wobble after first adjusting. Not a big deal. I think as long as you're not playing this thing during an earthquake, you're probably going to be okay. No King Kong running by, but overall, very good hinge. Definitely wouldn't be worried about the longevity of this hinge. And the keyboard here, taking a closer look, we're seeing a full keyboard deck. Very attractive looking. It is just a simple white backlight behind the key and just blue colored plastic over it, but it is definitely adequate and good enough to get you going typing at night. So definitely no issues here. It's a clean, minimalistic design keyboard, professional looking. It gets the job done. Nothing fancy or flashy like what we saw on another laptop that I uploaded to this channel, the MSI GL63 with the fancy flashing RGB pulsing back and forth, but it's got a full number keypad, everything you need to get all your work done, productivity, programming, finances, whatever. This laptop definitely has what you need. So actually, to me, the speakers sound really great. These are definitely loud, clear speakers. I would have no issues gaming on this or consuming media and content without headphones. So great speakers. And comparing these with the last video I did on the Asus G531 GT, they are bottom firing as well. But still, what I'm seeing is they are leaps and bounds better. So Lenovo put money into what counts in this laptop is what it appears like. So definitely would recommend. It looks like overall, first impressions for this laptop, very positive. Gonna get a good gaming as well as productivity, workflow experience out of this laptop and a good design. So I want to thank you for watching this video. Like this video if it helped you out. Subscribe if you want to see that full review for this laptop. And take a look at the description down below. I'm going to be putting links to buy this laptop. Also in the video description, I'm going to be putting a link to my Discord channel. If you want to ask more questions about this laptop, between now and when I upload my full review video, I definitely invite you to join my Discord server. I'm online every day, and there's many other helpful, good people on there. So thanks for watching. Porter Dev out.